up late, yeah, no alarms, no calls. Stepping out fresh like I own these walls. Sunshine hits and I'm feeling alright. No time for the heavy, gotta keep it light, yeah. Living this life like it's all brand new. Whatever I love, that's what I'll do.
We are back in Mallorca. We are here for 5 days. It's our first day, tapos uuwi kami ng Friday. So, palabas pa lang kami ng airport para kumuha ng transfer namin din. I'll update you mamaya pag nasa hotel kami. Hi! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa hotel. Magpapalit lang kami ng pangligo. And then, lalabas na kami kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. Ang last kain namin is kanina pang umaga bago yung flight namin, which is like 6 in the morning. And ngayon, the time is 3:30? Yeah, 3:37. So, magpa-freshen up lang kami. And then, BBS, magsusuot kami ng pangligo, pang beach and pool. And then, magdi-dinner muna kami. Tapos saka kami mag-chill and standby sa beach. Let's go!
Windows down, no need to try. The world moves slow, and that's alright.
Malapit na kami sa beach.
We've got time and we've got life. No rush, no plan, just coasting. Feet up, breeze in motion. Let it go, feel the flow. Anywhere the wind will blow. These slow days, we're just riding. Good vibes, no need for hiding. Sunshine in our soul, music playing nice and low. Yeah, we're here, we're alive, taking it slow, enjoying the ride. Coffee cups,
Say hi, babe. Dito ka,
ocean
dito ka. Hi.
views, lazy talks and worn out shoes.
Picture tayo. Anong masasabi mo sa kinain? Diba? Sakto lang. Ibon. Para sa 1950 euros, which is parang 16 pounds.
Pwede na eh.
Pwede na, no? Hindi na masama. Oras na para hanapin ang paborito natin. Toblerone ice cream. Tignan mo, may Filipinos ice cream mo. Filipinos represents. Filipinos. Paborito. Toblerone. Ikaw, ano sa'yo? Paborito mo ito yung Maxibon, pero yung chocolate. Wala makapigil sa akin. Sarap yung suma. Tikman mo. Sarap na.
Di ba ang Toblerone?
Bakit dun kanina, yung mga tuwalya nila 5 euros lang. Dito 80, 98. Doon, sa nadaanan ko natin, kahilera ng shawarma. Or resort. Oh, may mga pa bato-bato, something. Ang ganda, para mga hacienda. We are at the buffet dinner at the moment. Diyan kami naligo kanina. So, andun pa sa may dulo yung pool area. Sabi ko, Sprite saka Red Wine na magkakaluit niya. Parang pinataang ko lang. Parang pinataang ko lang. Sarap. Pero ano ito? Dessert na lang pa. Papa?
Hindi naman pwede makanta yun eh.
Ano ba sabi? Yung instructor nila. Yung instructor nila. Bakit daw? Oh, sa lahat ng ano, may ganun siya eh. We are done! Magpapatuyo na lang ako. Nagsusunog din mga mamaya.
The sun don't wait, it just climbs the sky. The clouds don't stress, they just float on by. I'll take a cue from the world today. Let the chaos fade, let it drift away. Keep it easy, keep it light.
So we are walking towards Calador Beach. Hindi ko alam, beach ba yun or whatever. Basta sumusunod lang kung saan yung asawa ko, kung saan ako dinadala. So, ando sa shadow. Here.
The clock won't stop, but I won't race. I'll keep my cool at my own pace. The stars don't worry if they shine too bright, they just hang up.
Hindi pa tayo nakakalayo.
Let it flow, take it steady, take it slow. I'll laugh at the mess, I'll dance in the rain, turn every loss into a little game. The world's a puzzle, I'll play my part, keep the pieces loose, but hold the heart. Keep it easy, keep it light, no need to wrestle through the night. Life's a river, let it flow, take it steady, take it slow.
Hala, so dito ako ngayon sa pool area sa harap ng hotel namin, and then makikita niyo here yung La Ferrera na. Ayan siya. So, yan yung view. Kami sa indoor pool, which is sa loob ng hotel. Malamang indoor na eh. So, anyways, I'll update you later. Tour ko kayo dun sa may indoor pool nitong hotel namin. Hola! So, andito tayo ngayon sa indoor pool nila. And, solo namin because no one wants an indoor pool dahil lahat sila nasa Arawan o sa beach. So,
You can be my sunflower, I can be your sun. In the summer heat and rain showers, girl.
anong itsura natin after natin mag-floating, sumisid? Proud ka ba sa itsura mo, babe? Ano mo, anong itsura natin? Bakit tayo breakdown mo tayo.
Stars, yeah, yeah, yeah.
We are going out for dinner na because it's 8:50 in the evening. But, not going out pala. We are going down sa hotel na nabook namin. Half board siya. Meron siyang breakfast and dinner. So, bababa kami para mag-dinner sa buffet restaurant. Ang tagal mo. Ubos na naman yung ulam doon sa baba. Ay, maganda yung lighting dito, babe. Oh, hindi nga yun pang sa'yo. Sabi niya binubuksan mo. Nakalagay na i-stop only. Ikaw na personal eh. Kulit mo din eh, no? Susumbong kita mamaya sa reception. Parang kang 12 years old. Parang may anak dito. Nakikipabunan. Makakalabas ka din naman, di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Hindi ka nakikipabunan. Hmm? Anong kinuha mo?
Rising something.
Ano yung, ano yun? Ano to?
Skin na naman.
Ha?
Skin na naman.
Ito, parang ganito. Lagi mo gusto yung ikaw. Iced tea kanina iniinom mo eh. Tapos pag ginagaya kita iniinom mo. So, kahit sa drinks ayaw mo naman siya.
Hindi ba pwedeng gusto ka lang mag-try?
Napaka-afraid.
Ginawa na nga kita.
Thank you. Pero ba't hindi iced tea ko? Ngayon, harap ka nga dito. Kunin mo na iba, ipahid mo sa katawan mo. That is too much. Well, that is too much. Mukha kang ano, bagong lutong itlogers. Wow. Sabi mo ba, babe? I think I've done it too much. Well, obviously.
The city, in which part of England is this?
London.
London.
Hi, so we decided to rent a car today to go around the city because we are on the southern part of Mallorca and I want to go up north because those are the cities, yung old towns na gusto kong i-visit. So, this is our car for today and tomorrow.
I don't know about you, but I don't wanna live in a bad mood. So I kick back in the front seat and out the window, cruising down the street, and we getting real comfortable. Got me feeling so wonderful. Got the good vibes flowing through me and you. Oh, cruising through life, feeling so good, feeling so right. Oh yeah, we cruising through life, feeling so good, feeling so right. Oh, I don't know about you, but I don't wanna live in a
Kasi lapit ka lang sa kanila. Hola! So, dito kami ngayon for this year. We're just actually outside the gelato cafe, whatever. And nagpapalimig kami because sobrang init. Grabe. Di namin kinakaya. After this, I think we're going to Palma. Babalikan namin yung Vietnamese restaurant last year. I think we're going to Haladea because meron kaming na-meet there from Yorkshire. Nirecommend nila na it's worth visiting. So, we'll go check it out. Dapat didiretso na kami ng Palma Nova kung saan kami magdirino. Pero we'll try kasi dito na rin naman kami, malapit na rin siya. Why not? Television ko yung likod ko kanina kasi akala ko yung nasa likod ko yung asawa ko. Hindi pala. Ito pala. Ha? Ano?
Got my shades on like I'm getting a tan, and I'm already in like a flip in a van. Then I'm in first place cause I'm running the race. Then I'm taking it slow like I'm still on the go. But the thing is, you know that I don't know. And the thing is, you know.
Phone mo. Need mo ba? Let's go. I just need a tali na, I don't know, bakit parang mas malinaw, mas maganda yung kuha niya sa video? Kumpara sa camera ko.
I don't think it is, pero...
O maybe kasi mas malaki yung screen niya, kaya mas na-appreciate ko.
Yep eh.
Is it that?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. I know now what it's giving. It's giving French Riviera, south of France. Yeah. No? Ano masasabi mo, babe? Si Thea, ganda. Meron kaming cafe na nakita overlooking ng mga bahays, and also nag-stop kami para mag-coffee saglit and drinks. Kala ko nawawala ako. Pagpasok ko, ay, bakit may bedroom? Guys, we are here at Saigon, an Asian food restaurant here in Calabarzon. Sobrang sarap. So, na-discover yung Thai curry na the best. Part of the red meat, chicken, or salmon. Parang 4 days kami nila sa dito. Kung ano yung kumain. Eat of fun. Sobrang sarap. Hi! Happy yung pagkakagard. Sobrang pagod ko na. Kakabalik lang namin ng hotel.
Heading down the highway, doing 95, cruising in the fast lane. Damn, it feels nice.
bright idea, guys. Ang gusto niya is bumili ng isang tub na ice cream. Tapos, yung mga kitchenware doon, bibili daw siya ng kutsara para makain niya yung ice cream. Why not? Game na! Hi! So, we are here in Ala Domingo. Nirecommend sa amin to nung saan kami nag-rent ng car. Sabi niya, ito daw yung favorite na beach niya kasi merong cave na nakapagitna sa dalawang beach. Which is, I think, that one. Sobrang ganda. Well,
There's no right or wrong, but I know this ain't right. As I'm lying here in your arms at 4 in the morning, now I'm lying all alone, and you just keep calling on, and I'm watching.
nauna siya natapos maligo sa akin. Kaya nauna siya natapos mag-ready. Tapos sabi niya, since yung balcony namin is facing yung entertainment area, nakikinood lang siya whilst waiting for me. Kasi nagme-make ako nung natapos. Pero ngayon, tignan niyo kung anong ginagawa niya. Ba, sarap ng tulog. Good night, babe. I'll see you later. I'll just have dinner. Pagisingin natin. Babe. Di ba tanging ina yan? Di ba? Sa tanging-tanging ina. Meron silang carrot cake. Pero yung carrot cake nila, masyadong malaki yung slice. So, yung isang slice, pinatag sa gitna. Baka hindi ko kaya mo. Hi, so we are at the Calador City Center at the moment and we are buying some drinks. I am getting the sorbet strawberry drink and si Baba, ang binibili niya is coffee frappuccino. Because nag-ikot-ikot kami and nagpapatay ng oras because it's currently 12:30 in the afternoon and ang flight namin is 9:40 pa ng gabi. And ang pick up namin sa hotel is 6:25 p.m. pa. So we still got like 6 hours to kill. Wow, ang laki. Thank you. Taste test. Woo! Woo! Masarap naman siya, pero not the biggest fun. Huwag kami yan. Sarap. Tapang. Gusto mo yan?
Para mas masarap.
Hola! So, we are back at Burger King because ito-try namin yung chicken wings nila and chicken nuggets. Ang saya kasi meron silang queso, which is cheese dip. They have creamy honey mustard and they have sour cream. Ba't ka tumataan? Nakakatawa. Ano, may kinakausap ka na naman ng halaman? Sabihin na naman sa'yo yung halaman, thank you kasi na-appreciate mo ko. Yun ba? Hi, we are finally in the airport. Ang oras ay 20:18. Ang flight time is 21:40. So, alam ko, aabot kami kanina because ang oras ng pick up namin dapat ay 18:25. Pero 18:40 na, 18:50 na, wala pa rin sila. Na-late sila. So, akala ko hindi kami aabot. So, at least we made it. Wala pa kaming gate. So, yeah, naghintay lang kami ng gate. Tapos, na rin kami sa gates namin. The good thing lang is, umabot kami and hindi naman kailangan mag-intay ng matagal din.